So this is the start of Ronnie's room. We moved in last weekend and we kind of just placed everything, but haven't decorated, so none of this stuff is up. We have the crib moved out because we are getting ready to do wallpaper on this wall. We just got a super cute chandelier put in. It has like the beading detail with the tassel.
So you had to hire an electrician.
You just said it. This is the room. And this is the cute little like mauve-y pink rug. It's from IKEA. So my mom just sanded and spackled and now she's cleaning the wall because we're gonna start putting up wallpaper. Say hi, Ronnie.
This lady's up here. I did 25. Can you get your thing, please?
Why you want to stop crying, huh?
Can you get your,
Say hi, Mom.
Hi. Can I have the level, please?
So we're now on panel 4, right, Mom?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's hard.
It is very hard.
Yeah.
So if anyone tells you putting up wallpaper, peel and stick is easy,
Yeah.
they're lying to you. You have to really take your time. Like, really take your time.
For sure.
And it legit takes like an hour per panel. So this is panel 4. And we have 2 left.
Yeah, but the next one's gonna go to here. And we have to cut down.
Hi, baby. You like your wallpaper? They look so cute. I'm obsessed.
I wish you was my room.
I'm obsessed. Oh, also, when you're doing it, make sure you're checking the level. You're leveling the sides as you go to make sure everything's being leveled. And I will link below where this wallpaper's from. It's from Etsy, like what the shop is. We got 6 panels for this wall, and it's an 8-foot wall. So you have to make sure you measure your wall so you know how many panels you're doing. All right, this is day 2 of wallpaper. We have this section left, which is 2 panels, but it's really gonna be like 1.5. And what we have found is that before starting to put it up, it is, it is helpful if you fold this top part so you know where to start on your wall and crease it. So just a little tip.
Okay.
It's level.
Hey.
Yeah. So I just want to make sure it's leveled. So this is me really trying to attempt to put up the wallpaper, but as you can see, it's really hard. Like, you have to do literally inch by inch. You peel it down, you have to peel it back up, you have to try to smooth out the bubbles at the same time. So it's a really tedious process. So it's not something that you can just, you know, do really, really quick. But I didn't get too far. I had to have my mom step in and help me again because it really is a hard process. But yeah, this is just me trying to show you guys. wall completely done. And now it's time to cut the edges, cut the borders, and then we have to cut
At the top.
at the very top. It is done, Mama, it was done. Looking real raggedy, but I'm going to show you guys the final product of Ronnie's room. I mean, you guys pretty much have seen everything as it went on, and now here is Ronnie's nursery.